to sculpt a frog out of Model Magic clay. Something called Model Magic, and Model Magic comes in a little plastic bag. So that's the yellow. There it is. Yellow on the bottom and green on top. So what am I going to do? I need his head. I need his head shape. His head shape. That's half his head shape. And then half of his body shape. His tummy. Even go like that. So divide it into 3 parts. Roll it. Roll it. And roll it. I'm just going to take these 2 and roll them together for the... Take these 2 and roll them together for the body. That'll be the body. It's half and half. Same thing for the head. Roll a ball. Put it on top. Roll them together. That works. And then do the same thing for the legs. See if it works. Well, I've done it this way before, so we'll just see. It's a little smaller. I'll make it same size. Same size. Put them together. Roll them together. So I don't need that. Use it for something else. Roll it up. Take my Scotch tape. Tape it shut so the air won't get to it. Alright, so I just need to pull out the cheeks. Pull out the cheeks. Make them rounded. Like that. Those are his cheeks and his head part. Where his little mouth is. His little beak. Skinny pieces for the front legs, and then for the back legs I need a little bit longer, and then cut that in half for the back legs. So if I put this, the tummy, and this is going to be the head, but I don't want to put the head on yet. I want to put the, make the legs first. So I'm going to roll them. Roll the legs, keep the yellow at the bottom, the green at the top. When I rolled it, it twisted, didn't it? Let me just bring that back down like that. Cover that up. Keep the yellow at the bottom. Guess I'll just pinch it. Kind of like a piece of corn right now, doesn't it? So this is the shoulder, and this is the elbow, and this is where the fingers are going to be, but I'm going to make that into like a pancake first. So it's kind of like that. Flat like that. Okay? And I do the same thing here. I'm going to bring this green back up where it was. And an elbow, and making this like a pancake. Okay? Kind of like an L with a pancake at the bottom. And we got 2 of those. Those are going to be the front paws. Okay? I'm just going to pinch it so that the green stays on top and the yellow stays on the bottom. It's okay if it's kind of wonky a little bit, because real frogs they kind of blends together a little bit there. So don't worry about it if it's a little wonky. Alright, so that one I'm going to roll. And this is going to be his hip part, so it's thicker up here. And then it's going to come down and up around, and then back down to make the pancake part. Kind of like that. Okay? Same thing with the other one. and forth. So hip, you got your pancake part. Two of those. Not exactly alike, but that's okay. It's kind of cool because it's kind of like streaks. It's all good. All right, now put the parts together, but I want to make the mouth first before I put the head on. So I'm going to take this knife, and I'm going to go right where they come together, and I'm going to separate that. Hold it on the green part. Make that wide. It's a wide mouth frog. Put my finger in there, bring his cheeks back up. Then bring that to a point right there, and bring this to a point like that. So it's a little smaller on top, kind of like a Ninja Turtle head, you know? Maybe you guys don't know what Ninja Turtles are. Maybe you do. I don't know. They were very popular when my children were little. Something, I don't know. All right, so there's his face. There's his head. And I'm going to put that on his body. Put it on there. And then I'm going to take his little toes. Let the spoon hold it for right now. Legs, and these are the front legs. So the front legs, I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to separate the toes. 1, 2, 3. You want to try to be careful not to separate that too much right there. But you do want to take your fingernail or your fingers and make little tiny toes. Here's how you make the little tiny toes. On my spoon, keep it on the spoon, doesn't go anywhere. There's his little toes. I do that again. Just separate it.
1, 2, 3. Use my
fingernails and go in and separate it even more. This is kind of tough. So if you can't do this, and it gets very frustrating. See, I just lost my little toe there. You can always pull it back out.
And if you have long fingernails, it probably is not a good advantage because it will make little marks. So be careful of that. Here's the little toes. And on real frogs, they're a little rounder on the end. But that's a lot of detail for most of you.
Keep it a little fatter on the end. Pull it up a little bit. Put it on this side. Keep them in the front. Keep these two in the front. And it will stick to itself, so you be careful of that. So there's that part of him. And I will try to make that mouth black and put a pink tongue on him. Put that right there in the spoon. Spoon will hold it. And I'm going to do my toes on my back feet. Same way.
1, 2, 3.
Take your fingernail and go in. 1, 2, 3. Pull out the toes. That's how you do it.
Be careful. Okay, so that's the back feet. Like that. And I'll put that one right back here.
Starting to look like a frog, and he will sit down. There he goes. He sits. One more leg.
1, 2, 3.
So there's the thumb, and then the 3 little fingers. Oops, lost it. Just go back in with your finger and pull it back out. There he is. Don't lose your chin. Keep your chin up. So there he is so far without his eyes. Careful that his feet don't touch. Make his mouth. I'm going to draw his tongue in there. I'm probably going to add that with a pink marker. Go up here and make this all black. Inside. So that's his black mouth. And 2 little dots for his nostrils. Just the tip of the marker, the Sharpie. Yeah. Here it is. 1 dot there and 1 dot there. You can hardly see it because it's clear. And there's the other one. There, it's better. It's better. Everything's better with googly eyes on it. There he is. It's pretty funny. He just needs this pink tongue. There's our froggy. Now, you're going to have those cute little dots all over him. So I just want to tell you that you can use marker, Crayola marker, and you just saw me do it too, on top of Crayola Model Magic. Don't put that little teeny green dots all over him. Just taking the tip of the marker and touching it. And remember, he has a backside too, so put those little dots on the backside too. So everything has to be a light touch, very light. When you're holding it, be very careful holding it. It says if you don't hold it light, it'll mush together. And if that happens, you can just take him and gently put him back into position the way you want him before you let him dry. You can bend his legs still. You can reposition it a little bit. Be as cute as you can before you let it dry. Because after that, after he dries, you can't bend him anymore without breaking him. Okay. There's a little Model Magic tree frog. So that looks a little bit more natural if you... And just random, it's a random pattern. Not trying to make it exactly like it looks. Careful that that doesn't happen, that he doesn't touch himself. Because it'll stick to it. And it's really hard to get apart. It can be very frustrating. He is. Pretty cute. Almost as cute as the one we drew. It's a little harder with sculpting out of clay to make the proportions exactly the same. But he's pretty close. Pretty close. Hope you liked the video. Psalms 105 verse 30, and this is the New King James Version. It says, "Their land abounded with frogs, even in the chambers of their kings." Moses came and Aaron, and they told Pharaoh that God wanted him to let his people go so they could go worship him. And the Pharaoh said no, and so God sent lots of plagues. He sent the plagues of flies and frogs and all sorts of things. So the frogs were even in the chambers of the kings. So God can use the frogs to do whatever he wants, and all his creatures are at his command. So this is just... Bye, little frog. See you later. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you later, everybody. Bye-bye.